Hi everyone, I saw this recipe on my Facebook page. The video was by Delish and they called it bell pepper fries. And when I saw it, I was like, I have to try this in the air fryer. I'm going to leave their recipe down below in the description for you because instead of using panko, I'm going to use breadcrumbs only because I'm out of panko. So the exact measurements and everything that they used will be down below. I'm not making that big of a batch today. I'm just going to use half of this red pepper and half of this green pepper. A reminder, the recipe is down below in the description. I have 1 beaten egg, I have some flour, and breadcrumbs. I would be using panko if I had it, but I do not. Now we need to season our breadcrumbs. I'm going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to go ahead and give that a quick mix. I'm going to go ahead and get our peppers ready. I'm going to cut the top off, clean out the insides. Go ahead and do my green one real quick. Okay, we need to cut these about 1/2 inch in thickness. Now we need to dip these into flour, then into the egg wash, and into our breadcrumbs, or panko, if you have panko. Now into our breadcrumbs. I have these all breaded. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pop them into our air fryer basket. Okay, I'm going to put these in here on 400 degrees for 5 minutes, and then we'll check them and probably flip them over. Okay, our 5 minutes is up. We're going to go ahead and flip these over. And we're going to pop them back in for another 5 minutes on 400 degrees. Okay, our 5 minutes is up on the other side. And these are ready. I'm going to go ahead and plate them up real quick. Okay, I have these all plated up. I'm going to go ahead and try one for you. I have some ranch here to dip it in, but I'll try it first without that. Very good. This worked well with the breadcrumbs. I think I would like to try it with the panko breadcrumbs also. This is very good. It's nice and tender, crunchy, like an onion ring, but it's a bell pepper. Okay, now I wanted to do this different when the time came. I wanted to do some animation. I wanted balloons, fireworks, confetti. That's not my forte. I tried. I think it would have took me a year and a day to figure that out. I just wanted to thank each and every one of my subscribers. Last Wednesday, February 21st, I reached 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think I would reach 1,000 subscribers, let alone one. I wish I could give you all something to show how much I appreciate you. It would have been so nice to be able to get on here and say, you get an air fryer and you get an air fryer. But realistically, you know I cannot do that. I said this before and I'm going to say it again. I have the best subscribers. I love interacting with you. I love your comments. I could not ask for a better group. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Again, thank you all so much for the support. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. With that, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.